Hello everyone, hi Capricorn at sign. So this is bonus reading for you. So yearly message 2020 and what are the message coming for in 2021. Okay. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So first we will see the messages from Moon Oracle deck. Capricorn. Your first card. Your commitment is being tested. Okay. Look at the bigger picture. Full moon in Sagittarius. Okay. So what I'm seeing here, your commitment is being tested means that is you are very truthful to your work, to your commitment, but I think there is some crucial situation you are going through. Your commitment is being tested. I think there are some trust issues regarding your work. Yeah, but you don't worry about that, because looking at the bigger picture, it all at end of the day it all favors you, because you will pass this test. Okay, you will pass this test, and look at the bigger picture. Something big is coming in your way, Capricorn. Yeah. So if you are in some issues you are going through right now, so please don't panic. Definitely you are getting something big in your life. So these are the messages. So let's see tarot. What about? So present, past, challenge, outcome, everything we will see here, Capricorn. So first we will see your present. Wow. The star, challenge, 3 of swords, the past, recent past, outcome, wow, and path to the future. One clarification card for Tower. Okay. Yeah, under the deck, Temperance. The person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius, fire energy, fire sign. So I think you are going through some heartbreak. Okay, your challenge is this. I think there is separation definitely. In career wise, you are undergoing some through like trust issues. Definitely your commitment is being tested in relationship and in financial and in career wise also, because 3 of swords here. But you stand by your power still, because you are very genuine person, you are very loyal person. That's why the star is there. Yeah, you are waiting for your time, because you are very honest and you are working hard towards your goals or towards your company careers, whatever. Definitely you are very work hard. You are very work harding person. You are giving 100% to your work and career. There is no doubt. Yeah. The recent past, definitely some transformation, something is going to be, and what I'm seeing here, because 3 of swords is here, definitely the relationship is ended between you and your person. Even though you are there for your person when they want. Yeah, you 100% committed in this connection, but the separation is happened because your person maybe leave you, your person maybe walked away from you. Yeah, but you stand by your power. The outcome is Queen of Wands. Definitely you stand by your power. There is no doubt about it. You overcome this pain and you stand by your power. And but future, the Tower and the 8 of Swords. Yeah, you love your person a lot, or you work hard towards your goals. And but you are facing some problems in relationship or career also. Definitely you are feeling stuck. You are undergoing some Tower moment in near future. Okay. But this is not end. These are the just messages. Okay. If you are going through such situation, be brave and take right decision, because you have so much potential in you, because the Queen of Wands is here. Definitely you stand by your power. So stuckness and tower moments in every life, it is natural, so you don't worry about, you will overcome this pain. But the outcome is Queen of Wands. Definitely you will stand by your power, but the near future you will feel stuck when you are thinking about your person, or when you're thinking about your career. In that times you will go through some tower moment. So let's see more about you, Capricorn. But you are very honest and loyal person in any area of your life, like career and relationship. But I think your person did something wrong to you. That's why the separation is happened. It's not your fault. It's their fault. Yeah, you will be back. The more about you, definitely will get stability. Or the Emperor, you are very honest. I already told you. Definitely you are always there for your person. You are very committed. You are very loyal. So let's see more about the situation. High Priestess. Yeah, I think this time you leave this problem to divine, because trust your intuition. You are listening to your higher self more about the situation, because you are stuck. You don't know which decision you have to make. Even though you have to make your move, that time also you are unable to make move, because you're feeling stuck. You are undergoing some tower moment. That's why you are listening to your inner voice. I think trust your intuition in these hard times, especially Capricorn. Let's see fears and hopes. The person involved in this connection could be with you is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Fears. Yeah, Six of Pentacles. Hope. I think you are hoping that they will come back and offer equal give and take. Yeah, you're hoping for this. And in financial wise also, you are hoping for financial stability in your life. I think there is no financial stability also, because there are some trust issues in your career wise also, in relationship wise also. I think you are listening to your inner voice, and you are leave it to the divine. Okay, you are leave it to universe also. So Six of Pentacles, definitely I think some money issues are going to be settled in your life, and some equal give and take is coming in your life. I think if they are coming back, definitely this time they want to offer equal give and take in relationship. In career wise, definitely some money issues are going to be resolved. Let's see the outcome. See, Hierophant, commitment is coming. Definitely commitment is coming. They are coming back with equal give and take offer. Yes, trust your intuition. This is the key here, what I am seeing here. Because the High Priestess. So let's see one more card. Yeah, Seven of Pentacles. You invested in this connection so much. Yeah, commitment. Definitely if you are in relationship, that relationship is going to be next level. That is marriage proposals. And yeah, really they want to invest in this connection. You already invested. You very loyal. You very honest in this connection. Yeah, and in financial wise also you will get stability, definitely, because the Hierophant, you will get stability. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. But right now the recent past is Three of Swords. The challenge is Three of Swords. Definitely you are undergoing some pain also, so much pain. You are missing them a lot. But remember one thing, you always there for your person in this connection. It's not your fault, it's their fault, because you are very genuine and loyal person. So the challenge is Three of Swords. You have to overcome that pain, okay? Because in near future the outcome is Queen of Wands, okay? You will be stand by your power. You are very powerful person, okay? There is so much power in you, okay? So don't be negative and don't be emotional, okay? You always there, you always genuine. So why you always suffer? Let's out of the energy and be brave and be stand by your power. That is, then when you stand by your power, they will be back. because you don't want anyone, either emotionally or financially. You stand by your power. That is the time you are attracting them back. Okay, definitely you stand by your power, and definitely commitment is coming in your way, Capricorn. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.